Mexico!
What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel. We are back. We have a couple of little things that we're going to show in the video titled how to lose 700 horsepower in a day. Somebody asked, well, why would you demod a truck that's a proven runner? Well, here's why. We have that nice black truck sitting over there. Already has full suspension on it that VAS did. We'll do an overview on that next time it's on the lift. But this is why. Let me show you what we're going to do and where that turbo kit is going. So, we got some new shoes from our friends over at Weld Racing. Nice bead locks all around. Some simple, just Ventura wheels or whatever they're calling these things. They're basically like the D6s that we have on the white truck. Just with the Weld name since they bought Forge Star. We got slicks for all four corners. Some are here, some are over there. We got this thing here, which is, what do you think's in here? A catch can or something?
Something small. I don't know. I mean,
What do you
I don't even know if a catch can fit in there.
Yeah. Well, not the one like that you're used to seeing on the blue card.
Yeah. So I guess it is a catch can. I guess that answers the question.
Is it? This is going to be a vital piece of the combo. We got this nice little boost controller. For those who don't know, this is the same one we run on the blue card. It's pretty hard to get right now at the moment. I think they're out of stock thanks to a certain person, chip shortage. AMS 2000 boost controller. So that and some wiring stuff we got to do for the car. So that's going to help keep the boost where we want it, keep it controlled. Oh, we got this nice intake manifold here.
Well, I like the sound of that.
So where is this? It says one of two, but I think we already gave one to our good friend Aldo the other night. God, I haven't struggled on dressing anything like this since high school.
Oh, God.
So, we have a nice plasma man intake. I don't really want to use a knife because I don't want to mess up any of the coatings. Okay, finally. Nice plasma man intake. Pretty cool. All the way from Australia. So, same thing we got on the blue card. You're probably going to get tired of me saying this, but this truck is going to be basically a four-wheel drive blue beam that happens to be black. So, it is going to have the 6-speed tranny. Everybody was asking, why 6-speed? Why 6-speed? It's like, to me, I feel more confident with the 6R. I think the aftermarket support's a little bit heavier. We're familiar with it and it works. So we went 780s with it in the blue car. I think as long as we can go mid to bottom 8s, we should be good. So let's see what it does. I think I got one more thing. Oh, yeah.
Man, Christmas came early for you.
Yeah. Christmas came early. No Christmas, just vengeance. So we have this thing here. You probably walked by this thing a bunch of times and didn't even notice. But our friends over at TKM hooked us up with a motor that is exactly like what the blue car has. So they did such a good job on the motor in the blue car. I said, you know what? I don't even want to fuck around. Don't want to deal with it. We're just going straight to the big badass engine. We're just gonna go fast. So they put together a long block for us in record time. They happen to have all the parts in stock. Ended up taking them, I believe, like 3 to 4 weeks for everything. So shout out to our buddies over at TKM. They always take care of us. And hopefully this one's as good as the one in the blue car. So to answer any questions, which one's gonna be faster, what's gonna be badass, why did you sell the Sierra? This is why. The black truck's gonna be absolutely fucking nasty. It's gonna go fast. Hopefully we have it running within a month or two and we'll just see what it does. So excited. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, go ahead and do that. We got a bunch of cool projects coming on. We're gonna go further into the 7s with the blue car. Bunch of street action coming up, and we still got the white truck that we're gonna mess with whenever we have time. So stay tuned for that. What's up?
So now that we unboxed all those goodies for the black truck, are you excited?
I'm a little bit excited. Kind of want to get it done. I feel like it's gonna be my first experience. You know, it's all gonna happen so quick. So we got quality stuff, great parts. We're waiting on, I think, injectors. But that's not gonna stop us from putting the motor in, getting the turbo kit on, getting the tranny built, and getting everything else ready. So I'm an American classic.
Is it? Is it really?
Is it really?
So now you were talking about getting all the stuff done for the truck. Is there a timeline you have?
So there's a couple events coming up in October and November. Some truck shootouts at like the 8th Mile track and whatnot. So I think we're gonna try to make one of those. If it happens, great. If not, you know, no big deal. Because I know by the time the truck is done and comes out, you know, we're just gonna be like, bam, just, you know. So when it comes out, it's gonna be sick. Hopefully within the next month and a half, maybe, depending on how everything goes.
Before Maryland, for sure.
Yes, but if anything happens to the car, we have to do anything else, the car takes precedent and priority over that. So we'll see. But for all we know, in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, this truck could be running and done. Who knows?
That's true.
Oh, fuck. You know, things happen. So we'll see. Back to our regularly scheduled TikTok. Veggie is fucking avocado.
Is that even a veggie? Yeah, I don't think that is.
Okay, so I can put watermelon on my tacos then, bro?
Yeah.
You're stupid. You're stupider than you look. So, with Maryland, we had it all planned out. We were gonna fly, and we were gonna get the cars transported on a stacker, and that was that. And now, apparently, the transportation market, due to the state of the world and the economy, is very expensive. So it's looking like it's gonna be like 8 to 10 grand to ship these cars, mine and Alto's total. So it's like four grand a piece, which is like, I don't mind spending money, but I think that there's better ways to spend money. So we're looking at things to do and how we can do it. So I think we might just have to fucking drive. And we have a stacker, but I don't know if our regular truck will do it. I mean, it's a diesel 250, probably want a dually to help balance that out. That motherfucker's big, you know. So that's where we're at with it. So we're going. How we get there is a whole nother can of worms.
Okay, so what I'm hearing is a road trip.
I really don't want to fucking drive on the road for that long. I really don't want to be in closed quarters for that long. So Richard tried to come in here and shame me that this wasn't the right setup here for the trans cooler, and he wanted Zach to turn the camera on, but I said hold on, and I second guessed myself. I said don't do that, but then Ricardo says hold on, it's the right one. So Richard doesn't know that it's actually the right one. So we're about to catch his ass right now as soon as he's done with this customer. Why is that Camaro back? Okay.
Si haces esto, no da. No da los agujeros, va así. Así exactamente. Yo no dije nada.
What happened? What'd you do?
What's up? What's up?
No,
you want to call me out?
You did something.
You want to call me out?
What happened?
I fixed it.
How?
Because I ain't retarded. What's up? You want the camera on? What's up?
Acá lo que pasó.
Cuéntanos.
¿Qué hizo?
Eso brujería, bicho Brian, güey.
Es que es contra indios.
Es un novio con mi rancho.
Work. Perfect. Done. Boom. Roasted. Eso es porque a mí me pagan más, güey. Richard!
What?
So you grab it and then you add.
had to come over to ask you.
This is why I bust my ass every day, but these guys to use my shit.
And I didn't grab it. Go check the camera. No, güey, está más mamalón este, güey.
I spoil these guys too much. I'm over here fixing their stuff for free.
Está más mejor este, güey, porque así nomás le pico y me camino y solo se sube.
Y luego se quema el motor. Hello, Clarice.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Are you ready for the weekend?
No.
No, why no?
Because I'm fixing to have to start moving my stuff from the storage unit to.
Oh, damn, that does sound like a headache.
It's gonna be a headache.
It's gonna be a sweat hottie one. A sweaty hot one. My bad.
Check this thing out. It's the same cooler that was up front. We just added this. It's a fan shroud from Atomic Fabrication with 2 small SPA fans, and I'm gonna be running some sleeve wire and 2 relays and amphenol connectors for it. Make it all nice and clean, and I think it should work.
Alright guys, thanks for checking out that video. As you can see, we have a lot of cool stuff going on with the F-150, a lot of good parts. So hoping we get that project started and wrapped up pretty quickly so we can have some dyno numbers, track times, and maybe some street action with it. So this is essentially a 4-wheel drive Mustang that's a little bit heavier. Curious to see where it goes, but I'm glad everybody's watching. So if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and keep supporting the channel. It really means a lot.
There you go.
Like Mexico!